Hello everyone, my name is Marshall Fiazaradina and today I want to tell you how to make dragon fruit juice. The ingredients are a half dragon fruit, a glass of water, and sugar. The materials are a glass, tablespoon, and blender. First, scoop the flesh out using a metal spoon and add it into the blender. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar into the blender. After that, pour the water into the blender. Next, blend it until the ingredients are mixed. Last but not least, pour the juice into the glass and the dragon fruit juice is ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy your dragon fruit juice. Bye bye.